Now, this last treadmill that we have is this one from DeerRun, okay? So this treadmill, it's a bit heavy than the other treadmills that we've reviewed. So here we have the remote, and let's go ahead and turn this on. And so this one has an app included with it as well. But if you go ahead and start it, we have the countdown, and then you could actually increase the speed. But then this treadmill also has an incline, okay? So the incline button that you see over here is actually going to manually incline the treadmill, as you can see there. So you can see from the side how much incline this treadmill actually gets. Okay, so it's a pretty decent amount right over there, sorry. And then if we decrease the incline, it just goes back to its original position. So very, very neat treadmill. I'd say the caveat though, is that this treadmill in particular, I don't think, like you can move it though. Like it has wheels in the front if you want to go ahead and slide it forward and perhaps it might fit underneath your bed. I don't think it's going to fit underneath most couches, but you can technically move this. And with it being moved, it has wheels in the front. So if I pause it, let's go and turn it off. You can actually lift this up and it'll slide forward. Okay. So the only thing is that it's a bit thicker compared to the other treadmills. And if you go ahead and turn this on, it's actually increased the speed by a lot and see how fast it goes. So this is going to increase the speed. So it looks like the max speed on this is 3.8. Like what you see over there. So that's a pretty decent jog, okay? If you turn it off. And the incline correlates to 1% each. So if you increase the incline, so if you go ahead and start it. So for every number that you see there on the incline, so right now it says 1, 2, that's 2% incline, 3%, 4%. This one goes all the way up to 12% incline compared to manual incline treadmills or walking pads, which only go up to about 5%. So this one's almost 2.5 times more incline compared to other treadmills like manual walking treadmill or manual incline treadmills. And so I'd say this is actually really neat. So if you're really into like incline walking, definitely check this out. It's just the only thing is like it's just a bit thicker. Okay, it's a bit thicker. I really like my walking pads to be very slim, very narrow. But the 12% incline is definitely going to challenge you and definitely does go a decent enough speed. And I haven't really played around with the app too much, but it looks like it does include an app. But with that being said though, let's go over which one I think is best.